Okay, is this thing on? Is this thing on? Am I ready to go? This might be ready to go. Okay, there we go. I think it's working already. So yeah, hello everybody. I know that this might be weird for the channel because I normally do like video editing tutorials and piano tutorials, like music and technology stuff. So now we're doing a Minecraft tutorial. Whatever. This is going to be a tutorial on how to do custom commands for your game. This will work on single player and multiplayer on the Java version on the PC. Okay, so what do I mean by custom commands? So let's say that, first of all, you do need cheats enabled. So you do need to be able to do like / creative mode and so on. So let's say that you have your world and you wanna teleport yourself to your base. So let's do TP myself into my chords into 280, 77, 295. Those are my chords. So let's say that I want to make a custom command that teleports me to my base, right? So instead of me having to type TP myself into 280, 77, 295, I can just type in something like go to my base, right? So that's the kind of custom commands that I'm talking about, right? So the custom commands that I'm talking about will begin with /trigger. Okay, this might be new to you if you have never used datapacks, but we're gonna get familiar with trigger. It's quite easy. You don't need to be disencouraged. It's super simple. If you already know how to use commands in game, like changing your game mode or teleporting you to somewhere or giving you a diamond sword, if you already know how to do all of that, then you know everything you need to know to move on with this tutorial. So I'm basically saying that pretty much 99% of the people watching this video will be able to follow along. So what do you need to do? Okay, and by the way, I'm not gonna care if I die. So this is a new world. I'm not gonna care if I die all over and over again. So you want to go into this website. This is I made a data pack for you. So let me add this link to the description real quick. And by the way, I'm doing this live as a stream because I don't want to, store this on my hard drive. I just wanted to get this video real quick. So you want to go to the first link into the description and you want to click code and then download zip. Save the file. It's gonna take just 1 sec. In the meantime, I think the stream is set as a music stream. Let me just change it to a game stream. Okay, whatever. Yeah, so now it's downloaded. It's over here. Okay, now you want to go into your game. And you want to go into options, resource packs, open pack folder. If you already run a server, you'll be familiar with this process. You just want to hit done. Basically, I just opened this resource packs folders. Why? Because it's right besides .minecraft. So we are on .minecraft. Let's go into saves. And then select our world. In this case, it's called new world. And then it has a bunch of stuff over here. Let's go into data packs. And in here, we will put the thing we downloaded. So I have it over here. Whoop. Now it's there. Then I want to extract it. You can use any tool you want. Then I'll delete the zip. And if you extract it correctly, you can open this folder. Oh, I didn't extract it correctly. So this is the thing that can happen, no? So you have a folder, your custom command, that has another folder inside of it called your custom command. You don't want that. You want a folder that takes you straight into this place, into the place where the instructions file is stored. So I'm just gonna choose this folder, gonna copy it, and paste it over here. Gonna get rid of this file because it doesn't go to here straight away. Okay, so now it's done, it's installed. I am dead. So now I want to go in my game /reload. This is reloading. How do I know if it's working? I need to go into /trigger spacebar. There we go. Custom command example. If this is showing up, then it's working. Now, if I just use custom command example, that just prints test command in the chat. So let me show you how you can make any custom command in game. So just want to go back to your folders over here. You can see that it has instructions, readme file, fancy pack.mc data file. You don't care for any of that. If you want to read the instructions, you can. I have very thorough instructions, but if you're watching the video, then you don't care about reading. So let's go into data, your custom commands, functions. There we go. And here we have 3 files, and these are basically everything we care about. We mainly care about init.mc function and tech.mc function. So init is where we name the command. So, I want a command called go to my base. So inside of init, we tell the game that the command is gonna be called go to my base. And inside of tech.mc function, we tell, hey, the go to my base command is gonna teleport me to this coordinates. Does that make sense? I think it does. Whatever. So let's first open init.mc function. By the way, if you're on a Mac or if you can't open it, just go right click, open with. Mine is in Spanish because, whatever. Then choose Notepad. It should open up the thing. You might want to make the font bigger, whatever. Okay. So as you can see, it has a bunch of text. I want to tell you right away that you don't need to be scared by a bunch of text on a Notepad thing, because every line of text that starts with a hashtag, that's just a comment, meaning that it's just instructions that I'm giving you. So I'm telling you, this part adds all of your custom commands via scoreboard triggers. So basically, whenever you see a hashtag, that's me trying to explain what you need to do. But again, I'm explaining what you need to do in the video. So I'm not gonna read out loud my comments. I'm just gonna get them out of the way so we can focus on what's important. Inside of init.mc function, this is important. Scoreboard objectives add custom command example trigger. What the hell does this mean? Basically, you don't care. You just want to copy this and paste it. And instead of custom command example, you want to write down the name of your command. So I use as one of my examples, go to my base. So I'm going to go to my base. So I want a command that is called go to my base. and then you want to save it. And that's it. That's all you need. Instead of init.mc function, you can close out of there. Just remember, go to my base, go to my base. That's what you want to remember. So we're done with init.mc function. Now let's go into tick.mc function. And again, it has a bunch of instructions, a bunch of comments explaining you what you need to do. But if you're watching the video, you don't need to read an explanation because you are watching an explanation. So this is what you need to focus on. So I just want to copy this, paste it over here. So let me just back down. So this text is what actually makes the command work. So custom command example runs the command say test command. I want my command called go to my base. Go to my base. I want go to my base to teleport me to my base. So what I need to do is I need to copy the name of my command and I need to replace it 3 times. I'm going to replace it here. Let me select that correctly. So I want to replace it here. I also want to replace it here. Okay. And it's very important that you don't accidentally delete the =1 ... right? Because I mean, it's a bunch of text. You might get confused and just, oh, let me replace this. But you actually got rid of =1. You don't want to do that. You want to select from here and here paste the name of your command. So that's pasted just fine. And then on the 3rd line, I'm going to replace this. Go to my base. And then you want to focus on the 2nd line. So after run, you're going to delete these and you're going to paste the command that you want go to my base to execute. So I want go to my base to teleport me to this coordinates. So I'm going to copy this and paste it here. And I'm going to remove the slash. Why? Because inside of a data pack, commands do not need to start with a slash, but in the game, they do. So I'm just going to save this. There we go. So to be really make things really clear and really obvious, on init.mc function, we tell the game, I'm gonna make a new command called go to my base. And inside of tick.mc function, I'm gonna say, hey, go to my base does TP me to my coordinate, the coordinates that I want. So init is where you name the command, and tick is where you tell what the command actually does. Okay, so let me save everything. I'm gonna save this, just close it because we're done. We're actually done already. We want to go back to the game. I wasn't killed. Then I want to do /reload. There we go. And now that has applied the changes. So that means that I can simply go /trigger space, and there you go. Now you can see that I have 2 options. I have custom command example and go to my base. So if I execute go to my base, it teleports me to my base. Well, it teleports me over here because I told it that this is my base. So if I don't know, I go over here. Oh, I'm lost. I want to go to my base. Ooh, I went to my base. So that's basically it. You can now make a shorthand for anything. Again, with trigger. just by downloading the data pack, going into the data folder, then your custom commands, then functions, and then editing the init and the tick files, and adding your stuff is super simple. Let's make another example. Okay, let's say that now I want to command that I have this on one of the examples that gives me food. So let's say that I want a command that gives me a golden apple, or like a golden carrot. So let's try give me golden apple, golden carrot, 64. Okay, so I want a command that gives me a stack of golden carrots. Okay, so what do we have to do? Again, we have to go into the functions folder, then go into init, because init is where we name the command. I'm gonna copy paste this. What's a good name? Let's say that what's a good name? Carrots, please. That's a beautiful name. Is that how you spell carrots? That's how you spell carrots. So I'm gonna make a new command called carrots, please. So I'm gonna save it. I'm gonna copy carrots, please, because I might forget. And then let's go into tick. I'm gonna copy this and paste it over here. This is gonna be now carrots, please. I'm gonna replace carrots, please, over here. Over here. Make sure that we're keeping the =1. And over here. And I want carrots, please. I don't want it to teleport me to some coordinates. I want that command to spawn some golden carrots. So I'm gonna copy that command, paste it over here. Let me make it bigger so that you can easily read everything. I'm gonna remove the slash, because remember, we don't use slash on data pack. So I named the carrots, please. I named my command carrots, please, instead of init, and instead of tick, I am telling it, hey, carrots, please is actually gonna give me Minecraft golden carrot 64 times. I'm gonna save it. Save. I'm gonna reload it. Reload, and just to make everything easy, let me just kill myself really in a really dumb way, so I lose my carrots. Clear the chat, and then I wanna yeah, I just want to do carrots, and there we go. So yeah, that's how to make custom commands with Trigger, with custom data packs. Then again, most of the work is already done. I have already done the data pack folder structure for you. Just go to my website over here, the description, download this, do the zip file correctly, go to the functions file instead of data pack, data, your commands, functions, and just do it by editing init and tick. If it's not working, remember to reload your game with /reload. And that's it. That's a pretty basic thing. I might do a longer tutorial later, because there are a few more advanced things that you can do. For example, you can make a custom command that triggers multiple commands in a row. So let's say that you want a custom command that teleports you to your base and then gives you a stack of carrots and then says hello in chat. So let's say that you want a command that does 3 things in a row instead of just 1 thing. That's a bit more advanced. I will show it to you in a later video. So yeah, if you don't care about that, so just don't watch the video, the next video. If you do, tune in next time. But that's basically it. Thank you very much for watching. I might do a few tutorials on the game, mainly on how to run a server of your own, because right now that's what I'm doing. That's what interests me. But yeah, that's it. I'll see you later.